In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync files and folders to Microsoft OneDrive 5 minutes. Let's get you set up so your important files are safely backed up and available on all your devices. We'll use the OneDrive app that runs on your computer and choose exactly which folders you want to keep in sync. Start by going to the OneDrive icon on your taskbar near the clock. It looks like a little cloud. If you don't see it right away, click the small arrow to show hidden icons and you should find it there. Make sure you're already signed in to the correct Microsoft account. If you're not, OneDrive will prompt you to sign in before you proceed. Click the cloud, then open the gear icon for settings. This opens the OneDrive menu where you can manage how the app behaves. From that menu, choose Settings to launch the full OneDrive settings window. This is where you control what syncs, how it syncs, and which account is connected. In the settings window, go to the Account tab. This tab shows the account that's currently signed in, your storage usage, and controls related to what is stored locally on your computer versus online. It's helpful to pause here and check that you're working with the right account, especially if you use both personal and work or school OneDrive. Next, select Choose Folders. This option lets you pick exactly which items from your OneDrive cloud should be available on this device. It's called Selective Sync, and it's great for saving disk space while still keeping the files you need most right at your fingertips. You'll see a list of your OneDrive folders. Check the folders you want to sync to this computer and uncheck anything you don't need locally. You can expand folders to include or exclude specific subfolders. As you make selections, keep an eye on how much space those folders might use on your device, especially if you're on a laptop with limited storage. When you're happy with your choices, click OK. OneDrive will immediately apply your selections and begin syncing in the background. You'll see progress in the OneDrive menu, and in File Explorer, you'll notice status icons next to each file and folder, cloud icons for online-only items, and check marks for files stored on your device. The first sync may take a bit depending on your internet speed and how much you selected, but you can keep working while it runs. If your needs change later, you can return to the same account tab and choose folders again to add or remove items. That's all there is to it. Clean, simple, and under your control.